It's just a two-step process to fix 0xc0000142 error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type system configuration. From the search result, right click here and click on run as administrator. It will open system configuration, then select services tab and check this option, then click on disable all. After that, select startup tab, click on open task manager, then disable these applications one by one and close this window. Now click on apply and then OK. After that, go to search bar and type regedit. Click here to open it. It will open registry editor, then expand HK local machine, then expand software folder, then expand Microsoft folder. Scroll down and select Windows NT, expand it, then expand current version. Again scroll down and select Windows. From here, right click on load app.nit.dlls, select modify and assure that it should be valued as to 0 and click on OK and close all windows. Just restart your system and your problem will be solved. You are good to go.